Well, we're back here again. If you were here from the start, you know how this plays out. But let me let you listen to what the stadium sounds like. Good morning, world. It's your boy FRE H Fresh, and I'd like to welcome you to my first and most likely only mixtape. Dare to be different. What you're gonna get out of this mixtape is hope. The chance to see that there's another way to live, another way to make it to the top. The Flyboy way. What's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way, all platforms. Man, this day started off rough and scary. Let me tell you about my first time losing my drone. So I was getting ready to do a drone video in Parquilleras. Now you know Parquilleras has all this electronic stuff, wires and stuff. So you know I had to measure everything up and do it correctly right. So I measured everything up, did it right, turned it on, and I took it up. It started looking dope. It was going dope. I probably put it right here so you guys can see it. Put it right here how it started looking dope. Took it in the air. As soon as I started driving away, it said authorization zone. So I'm like, I've seen that before, but I guess when the countdown comes, I'm going to just bring it back down, and I'll get it. I'll return it home, and it'll come back to me. But it didn't. And I was like, all right, well, while it's going down, I'll just guide it somewhere where I can go pick it up from off the ground. But I couldn't. Like, it locked all of the stuff, and the drone just went on top of the roof, and it was just a random roof. So I used Find My Drone to find it, but I couldn't connect to it, so I had to try to restart my phone, and then I couldn't connect to it again. So I'm like, I'm out of range. I don't know where it's at. So I had to go by the little video that I had of where it landed, and ask somebody. And shout out to George. I'll probably put his video up here somewhere, or I'll have it playing and something like that. Shout out to not Jamie. Shout out to Jamie. And he helped me find the building. And once I found the building, I was able to connect to the drone and upload the authorization. Rough story, but I finally got my drone back. All right, so we are at Dante's restaurant. Oh, my fault. DeAndre's restaurant. It's me and the homie DJ Chisel over there. And bro, starving. So we about to eat. Starting that night, getting ready to have a shot.
Hey guys, if you want, you can buy things here or jerseys there.
Okay.
Leslie?
Alright, so we are going to the game tonight. We are here in Medellin, Colombia. As you can see, everybody's dressed.
Hey guys.
Let me drink this before it gets too late.
Okay, this is for you.
Donde es Ron Calder?
Hey guys, this is for you.
Oh, thanks, man. All right. So yeah, we're getting ready to go to the game. About to grab some jerseys so we can get up there. But those that don't know, it's a big rivalry. Don't really know. I just keep hearing it from everybody. I don't really know exactly what's going on. You guys know I'm not a sports person, but who's playing again? Oh, let me get it. Wait. Where's he at? Oh, hold on. Un momento, por favor. This is right again. What's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way, all platforms. We are here, as you hear the fireworks go off, we are here in Medellin, Colombia, getting ready to watch the game between. The game is between. Come on. Oh, my fault, y'all. ¿Cómo es? ¿Cómo jugar? ¿Cómo se llama para la
Nacional.
Nacional y?
Gana.
Okay, that's who's playing. Like I said, we got these fire jerseys on. And you know, brother got a match, so you know how to switch it up. You see the green in the joint. Boy, last minute switches are amazing. You see DJ Chisel over here. You see DJ Chisel in the jersey. And hold on, let me find out what his name is and where he's from. Hold on a second. Let me actually go over to the guy that's leading us away to find it. Hold up. Sorry.
Okay, so I didn't explain it. So let's wait for Vincent and.
Okay.
Grab it.
Yeah. Let's wait for them so you
Gotcha.
listen actually what's going on. Ahora. Todo bien, muchas gracias.
Let me take this off now. It's not that hot anymore. So take this off. Take this off. All right.
Vincent,
Yes.
this is you. And you're Leslie and what's his name? Cody.
Yeah.
Where are you from? Canada? Where was? Nice. Exactly. Third one already, right? Let's wait for Cody and us. So you do vlogs? Like beauty vlogs? So, okay guys, welcome to Medellin Football Tour. My name is Andres. Today you're watching the city derby of Medellin. It's Atlético Nacional, the team we are following today, and Independiente Medellin, the other team of the city. Woo! Atlético Nacional is doing first in the league, Medellin is doing 10. This is the city derby. It's the most important game of the year. Well, after the final maybe. If there is a final, of course, it's most important. But this is like a really important game. Today there will be around 30,000 people in the stadium. The stadium has a capacity of 45,000, but because of COVID, like full stadium is still not allowed. Okay? That's pretty much it. We are going to be in the national side, and you will see like 20% of the stadium will be red, 80% will be green. Okay?
So, thank you. Gracias. Thanks, man. Perfect. Chisel. Muchas personas aquí. Muchas personas. ¡Qué linda! Yes.
Acto de protocolo. Himno nacional de la República de Colombia.
All right, they about to start. They about to start playing. I'm gonna catch a couple scenes in there. We're gonna go. Okay, so it's halftime, and I just started thinking, like, the fact that we sit here in a whole other country, in the middle of a valley, surrounded by millions, thousands, and tens of thousands of people. This is one hell of a life and a beautiful woman. Muy hermosa mujer. But we also watched a good game. It's 0-0 right now. I'm gonna get some ice cream. Oh, it's pouring down rain. It's pouring down, and we're still in the middle of the game. Yo, how many people still here? Oh, no. Hey, Vamos, Nacional. Vamos los verdes que allá arriba en el cielo. Alentando esa etino inmortal. Oh, the game's still going. Oh, man. Vamos, mi verde que allá arriba en el cielo. Alentando esa pasión.
Minuto 85, marca para...
Good morning, world.